Hands up if this sounds familiar. You go on a training course, learn some new skills, you get excited to put them into practice, and then you just don't. With new training, you either use it or lose it. So how can you make the most of your learning opportunities instead of sliding back into old habits? We asked learning experts across Google for their top tips on how to make training stick. Here's what they had to say. Do your prep. A bit of preparation before a training event makes all the difference. Do some background research and ask yourself, how could I apply these skills to my role? Linking training to your career development helps you build a personal connection with the training, instead of just seeing it as something to get through before going back to the same old routine. Engage and ask questions. Keep a list of your learning goals with you so you can reference them throughout the training session. Matching the new info back to something more tangible will help you turn your theory into action. Engagement is the key to successful learning, so ask questions and share feedback as much as possible. And make sure you take notes. It'll help you commit new information to memory. Fight active forgetting. Forgetting is an active process. Our brains are constantly getting rid of useless information. So in the weeks after your training, apply the new skills you've learned to your day-to-day role as much as possible. It'll help you to keep everything fresh and useful. You could even go a step further and put together a presentation for your coworkers. Spreading the knowledge around the office will make it easier to put your ideas into practice, as more people will understand the benefits of your approach. Training is an investment in yourself, and by following these steps, you'll make sure it's an investment that pays off. Good luck!